an enemy blockade. Indiana Jones makes it across the wreckage. He jumps. Wow, Indiana Jones has the fastest car. Jumps. And he goes to see his dad, Professor Jones. Then he drives off. Don't fall off the cliff, Indiana. He barely makes it. He jumps. He's going to find Mutt Williams. He finds Mutt Williams. Hello, Mutt. Do you have the treasure? Yes. Quick, we must get out of here. It's enemy territory. He jumps. Wow, the wheel's turning. Everything's going crazy. And he makes it. Remember, you know, look for, just look for Lego.com. Legos rock. Especially Indiana Jones. See ya. Okay.